Today I'm going to be discussing the most profitable digital products that are cheap to make but have very high margins, and you can make one time and sell many times but also make the highest amount of profit that is possible with a digital product. There are many high profit products out there that you could make, but these are a few of my favorites. Alright, now let's jump into the most profitable products you can sell on Etsy. The first is an ebook template. This is something that is very useful because it is for people that are creating ebooks to sell to customers. And because they are going to be selling the end product that they make with your product, you can charge a little bit more for it. Here's an example on Etsy for someone that sells a workbook ebook template for $41.50. They have all of the items listed, which are 48 pages that they've created. That's a template that users can buy and then make their own ebook to sell. $41 is a really great price point and very profitable if you're only making this once and then selling it. As you can see, it's a bestseller for this shop that has over 1,000 sales. That means that they are selling items for $40. This is a much higher price point than something like a SVG, which you're only going to be able to sell for a couple dollars. So it is a great start. Next is marketing templates. This can be a number of different things, but again, it is something that is targeted toward an audience that is going to use your product to make money on their own. As you can see, there's a wide variety of price points here, from $6 to $12 to $44. The $20 price range, $15 to $20, is a great price point for marketing templates. That is something that someone running a business is willing to pay. I've seen the most successful shops selling digital products for marketing templates go into a really niche area, so like real estate marketing templates. This is a fantastic market because the people that are buying your templates are not crafty or creative or artsy, but they need really nice looking sales items to make their sales. So buying a template saves them time and money. Therefore, you can make something amazing and charge a higher price point, market it towards someone that is going to make money from this product, and charge $17.99 or $20 or $30. You can charge a lot bigger price on these types of items. Next are swipe files. These are very similar to marketing templates in the fact that they are something that a business or a person trying to sell can use to make money. So you can sell swipe files or of things like email campaigns, subject lines, actual email campaigns, sales page copy, funnels for sales items, all sorts of things where you know how to sell something, especially with wording that someone that has a great product might not be able to do. People will buy that from you. Next profitable item to sell as a digital product is a spreadsheet template. These are amazing products that you can sell for things like budgeting for personal home budgets or budgeting for your business, for, as you can see, Airbnb or rental expense trackers. These are things that you can price for $10, $20, $30 more. It really depends what you're offering, but as you can see, a lot of these that are listed are around the $20, $25 price point, and they sell really well when you look at the shops and see what they've sold in the past. If you are creating a spreadsheet that helps someone accomplish a task or save money, that is something that people are willing to pay for, especially because a lot of people don't do Excel very well, so they don't know how to make spreadsheets and templates that will help them save money or manage lots of data on their own. So if you're selling, for example, a spreadsheet that helps landlords who are making money that will profit off of buying this $24 spreadsheet one time, you are going to have a very profitable product once you tap into that landlord market. And big tip here, this seller has figured out how to make it even more profitable by offering the same template for more items. So if you have more rental houses, you pay more for the product. That is pretty amazing. This shop is a really good looking shop, and it looks like it's very profitable from what I can tell. So I highly recommend doing spreadsheets for certain niche or certain type of person that will either make money or save money from that spreadsheet. Next, a good profitable product that you can sell digitally is an online course. Etsy is probably not the best or most common place to sell an online course, but there are a lot on Etsy. And because you can see how much a seller has sold of a certain product, you can look at Etsy to get some ideas of how much courses are selling, and then use that information to develop a course on your own that you think would sell to teach a skill to a certain group of people. You can then use your online course to sell on Etsy or other sites. I actually would recommend doing a course on another site. So I will leave some links down below of courses where you can create and sell your course on a different platform that's a little bit more tailored to online courses. But as you can see, online courses can go for a much higher price point. So this one is selling for $79 to teach you how to do some email marketing, which is a huge problem for a lot of people. So if you can create a course that is selling a solution to someone's problem, you can price it a lot higher and make a bigger profit on that item. Next profitable digital product idea is selling anything for commercial use. Basically, if you create any sort of element for other creators to use in their products and sell it for commercial use, you will have a much more willing to pay audience than, say, a person that's just doing this at home for fun in their spare time for free. By including a commercial use with any sort of graphic or font or icon you create, you'll be able to have a wider audience that is willing to pay more money. And you can also sell extended licenses and different price points for how someone is going to use your product. Allowing for commercial use opens up the number of people that are going to be looking to buy your item, and also make sure that it is targeting people that have money to spend and are willing to spend. So you're just creating a wider pool of actual buyers with money.